Just applying all this liquid clear. Right, there we go. Then we'll start with some Indian yellow. And we're going to go somewhere about here. I think I'm going to do something like that. So this is phthalo green. Now, I'm going to put some around here, towards the top there. And again, let's go down here. Like that. Just very light green here, and then I'm going to put some blue on. Yeah, it's a phthalo blue now. Going into some phthalo blue. Still got that green brush, but I wiped it off a little bit. So blue at the top. And then go like that. And again down here, I'm going to put that blue. Just some titanium white. So I'm just tapping into the white. Sort of little clouds in here. Just by touching here. I'm just touching these on basically. Something like this. Using a different brush. And we're just gonna very, very gently just turn these into some little bright clouds. We'll just put some on. I'm going to pull this up. Get all them beautiful colours. There. That's going into that sort of blue as well. There's plenty of northern lights on my my website. So go and have a little look about. Help me out, support me. If you buy one tonight, I'll post tomorrow. We're going to go somewhere up here, like this. There we go, just So we've got a little bit of black, some green, some blue. Can you see that colour there? If I pull that down there, it looks like black, but it's like, if I take it off, you can kind of see it's greenish, right? In the background there. We have one that lives there. Let's go. Just some different shapes here and there. I want it picking up some of that yellow. Go somewhere there. I'm just having a little play around. Something like that. Maybe just a bit of dark in there as well. Just marbling that all up. I think something like that. You come there like this. Yeah, that's quite nice. It's got a mix with all them sort of colours in there. Could have this one coming in front, maybe. Something like that. Just lift that up. We're going to come somewhere down here. And here. Where's this one comes from around there? Like that. Gonna just put some in here. Something look at that. Look how dark that is. Just putting these dark colours in here. Yeah, I like that. That turned out quite well there. go, just a bit of dark there. There we go. I'm gonna miss this out a little bit here. Just bring this down here. I'm just gonna pull down here. Just around this area. Something like this. So we're going to go down here. Hopefully picking up a bit of yellow. Yep. I'm going to pull this down here. Just go across here. So we got a nice sort of, yeah, we can see that's water, can't we? Maybe it comes to there. Let's have the same over here. Maybe we can sort of bring some of that up the mountain, coming down to here. We're going to blend this out as well. Maybe we just see a little bit that goes down there. So I'm going to extend the water here just a little bit here. Just sort of do this about here, that's fine. This is where we can start adding some stuff now. There we go, just some little watermarks here and there. Just make that fall down. A little rock in the middle. Just a little rock that lives there, which is making that separate. Just catching the side. A little bit up. See, that changes. Mix that all together. Again, let's just put one in that lives here. This one comes down here. And we'll come and put some highlights on there. And if you want a print of this one, send me a message on TikTok and I'll get a print done for you. Come on then, let's just do some. I'm going to turn these into some rocks here and there. I like to sort of pull these down a little bit here and there. We can add another little sort of rock that lives there. Just lightly there. Just add a few little splashes in there. And we can just sort of make a bit of water here and there. I always like doing the sort of bottom of the rocks there. There we go, look at that. Which is pretty cool. We've got a bit of movement going on the water down there. Let's have it going sort of in there. And then it comes out here. And then in here. So a few more little splashes there. Particularly like them mountains there. Love the colours there. Love the colours.